Hi guys, Miss Bimber here for another week of counseling lessons, and this will probably be the last one of the year, and which makes me sad, but I know everyone's excited and hopefully you will have a great summer. But I wanted to leave you off with a positive message for the year, and I have a story to share with you. I Believe in You by Marianne Richmond. You came into our family with a big job to do, the one of growing up into the one and only you. Now, I know we're not really related or a family, but we are a family here at Nelson. And so Nelson's family, each one of you are special and unique in our family. Some days it's super easy and others kind of tough. Mondays bring it on, turns into Fridays had enough. I'm sure some of you kind of have had enough of this COVID stuff going on right now, so we're kind of all in that same boat right now. Whether it's sunny or stormy, whether you're happy or blue, I'm here to say without a doubt that I believe in you. When your project seems too hard and you want to go to bed, I believe in your smart thinking to learn and grow instead. Remember, we talked about growing yourself and getting better and having a growth mindset this year. When the teen you like says, no, some other kid will play, that's not very nice, I believe in your awesome skills to shine another way. So just because we're not good at one thing doesn't mean we can't be good at something else. I believe in you. When the monsters in your closet seem too big for you to fight, I believe in your true courage to know it'll be all right. When you make a big mistake or choose a hurtful way, I believe in your stand-up truth to say what you should say. Be honest and have integrity. When the day dips up and down like a roller coaster ride, I believe in your quick laugh to love the lows and highs. When you look into the mirror and question who you see, I believe in your true beauty that shines through from you to me. We're all beautiful in our own way. When everyone else stands tall, looking so tough and strong, I believe in your brave spirit that's in you all along. When your best friend is unkind or doesn't want to play with you, I believe in your playful heart to find new friends who do. When learning something new makes you want to stop and quit, I believe in your great attitude to go and conquer it. Your job of growing up takes hard work, I know, but each day is an adventure. Each problem helps you grow. And I want you to remember, I'm here to watch the ride. I believe in one amazing you with all my love and pride. The end. So just remember, guys, wherever your journey takes you, wherever you go from here, whether you're coming back to Nelson next year or going to junior high, or some of you might even be moving to another place, just remember, you are part of Nelson's family here, and we love you, and we care about you, and we miss you, and we hope that your journey is great, and hopefully we'll see you next year. Bye, guys. Have a great summer.